Good morning, Cameron Clark from My Real Estate Mate. Well, today we thought we'd focus on the Brisbane apartment and housing market. The 2016 reporting has predominantly been focused in on Sydney and Melbourne, so we thought it's about time we shed some light on our northern neighbours. And I think you'll find as we go through the facts and figures, it is a very compelling market and positive in all respects of housing. So without further ado, let's kick off. Jones Lang LaSalle brought out their February report and report that Brisbane median's apartment prices up 4.3% year on year, with inner ring suburbs median house price above $800,000. Now, remember the inner ring being considered from Brisbane to 10 kilometres. The middle ring, obviously then from 10 to 20 kilometres or further from the Brisbane CBD, had a median price of $550,000, and the outer ring, which is 20 kilometres or further, $400,000. The established Brisbane property market is taking on average 58 to 63 days to sell. Listing rates are down, which generally means the market is positive for future capital growth and are holding off transacting their properties for a slightly potentially more gain. So that's down 12.5%, made up of new house listings down 8.8% on last year, while new apartment listings are down 3.8%. Inner Brisbane has the highest median house price of $941,000, no surprises there, and importantly a 5-year increase per annum of 19.2%. Apartments in comparison follow a similar trend in terms of proximity to Brisbane, with Inner Brisbane having a median price of $494,000, a 5.7% increase over the 5-year period per annum, and this is also in line with the South East Inner Brisbane having a median house price of $484,000 and a 5-year growth rate of 7.3%. So seems that inner ring of Brisbane is certainly going from strength to strength. The housing market also really reflecting the tourism market. Banyan Tree have just announced a $150 million residential and hotel project in Brisbane, 76 freehold residences in addition to the hotel there, over 10 levels, 45 two-bedroom apartments, 27 three-bedroom apartments and 4 penthouses, and completion they're expected in late 2018. So again, we reiterate the product mix there of predominantly larger stock, 2, 3 and penthouse stock, the local demand for owner-occs in the inner city as well as downsizers in the inner regions across all capital cities of Australia is certainly increasing. We also look to Jupiter's Casino, where they are undertaking a 700 hotel room and residential tower existing adjacent the existing casino and that is a $500 million redevelopment of the current facility. In Springfield Land Corporation, of course, which is the developer there, they are a private developer. They plan to build 10,000 apartments in Springfield. It is the self-proclaimed city master plan city in Australia, so they are expecting to be the population size of Darwin by 2030, with a projected residential population of 86,000 people. So to give you an idea, they currently have a population of 32,000 people, and the apartment scheme there will have an end development value of over $6 billion, and that will take about 15 years to undertake. All this is, of course, good news for some real estate agents that are in that area. McGrath, of course, off the back of a recent listing, has got new offices in Caloundra and in the Sunshine Coast, so they now have 15 new offices in southeast Queensland. So again, off the back of that listing, going from strength to strength. If you'd like any more information on the Brisbane market, whether it be apartments, townhouses or house and land, and looking to buy into new developments, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.